welcome to Leemah's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite Italian dishes, chicken and prawn Alfredo. So with this recipe you can use any pasta of choice, but I'll be using spaghetti today. So yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm starting off by putting the spaghetti in boiling salted water, and then I'll leave it to cook for about 10 minutes till al dente. So al dente basically means firm to bite. You don't want your pasta too soft to start with because it will still cook for a while in the sauce. I'm going to start with the sauce while the pasta is cooking. So I'll be starting off by frying my chicken, which has already been seasoned with black pepper and salt. I'm going to fry it till all the sides are white so I know it's cooked through. I like to keep it simple when I'm seasoning my chicken because the sauce is still going to have loads of seasoning spices and herbs. So yeah. So now the chicken has been cooked through and I'm just taking it out so I can fry the rest of the ingredients. So I'll be stir frying my minced garlic and onions first till the onions are translucent. So next I'll be adding in the mushrooms and just stir fry it for a bit. Then I'll be adding in my prawns. I'm using cooked prawns here, guys. That's why I didn't fry it in the beginning. But if you're using raw prawns, make sure you devein the prawns and you fry it after you fry the chicken. Then I'll be adding in my double cream, guys. I use double cream because it's really thick and it just makes the sauce really rich. Then I'll throw in the chicken that I fried in the beginning. So now time for some herbs and spices. I'm going to be adding in Italian seasoning, and then I'll add in some fresh parsley, then some black pepper and some salt to taste. So now I'm going to mix all that in so everything gets incorporated into the sauce. This sauce looks so creamy and yummy, guys. Then I'm adding in some Parmesan cheese, and this just bumps this recipe up to another level, guys. The flavor of Parmesan gives your food is next level, trust me. So I'll just let the sauce cook for about 2 minutes and then I'll add in my pasta. So my pasta has already been cooked and then I just rinse that under cold water so that it stops the cooking process of the pasta. So at this stage, just make sure that you mix the pasta properly with the sauce so that every single strand of pasta is coated with this creamy sauce. So I'm just gonna let the pasta simmer now for about 2 minutes on low to medium heat. This is why I said your pasta shouldn't be too soft because it's still gonna cook. So the pasta is ready to eat now. Thanks for cooking with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in my next video. Bye.